Red Bull Racing just hit a major bump. Their new car, the RB20, failed a crucial FIA crash test, throwing the whole season into question. The implications are huge, not just for Red Bull, but for the entire Formula One landscape. Can they fix the RB20 in time for the season opener? Will their reign of dominance finally come to an end? And who will capitalize on their misfortune? Suddenly, the race for the championship is wide open. Rival teams are eager to snatch the crown from Red Bull's grasp. Red Bull's crash might be the spark, but the real firestorm is just getting started. In the 2023 Formula One season, Red Bull Racing not only set the track ablaze with their performance, but also etched their name in the history books. They broke several records, including the most championship points in a season and the most wins in a season, with Max Verstappen, their star driver, winning 19 of the 22 races. Their supremacy was clear for all to see. Their dominance was almost complete, marred only by a single defeat at the Singapore Grand Prix. As we now turn our gaze to the upcoming season, the question looms. Can Red Bull maintain this extraordinary level of performance, especially in light of the recent setback with the RB20? After dominating the 2023 season, Red Bull Racing has encountered a serious hurdle. Their RB20 failed its first dynamic frontal homologation test at Cranfield, a pivotal step in validating the car's readiness for the competitive season. This failure is significant, as every F1 car must pass these crash tests to be eligible for racing. It's not just a minor glitch, it's a major concern for the team's aspirations in the upcoming season. The core issue lay with the car's front nose, which did not absorb the impact properly, leading to chassis damage. This is particularly alarming, as it touches upon a critical safety feature in Formula One racing. Such a setback raises concerns about Red Bull's aggressive weight reduction strategy and the car's adherence to safety standards. This unexpected twist puts Red Bull at a crossroads, compelling them to make swift and significant adjustments to their RB20 design. They now face the dual challenge of meeting the FIA standards and retaining their competitive edge in the fast-approaching 2024 season. Historically, Red Bull has faced hurdles related to the weight of their cars. In Formula One, where every kilogram matters, the team has strived to shave off weight wherever possible to gain an edge in speed and handling. Red Bull's design philosophy, spearheaded by their renowned Chief Technical Officer, Adrian Newey, has always been about pushing the boundaries of innovation. Newey's designs are known for their boldness and ingenuity, often leading the way in F1's technological race. However, the aggressive weight reduction strategy that likely influenced the RB20's design also presents risks, as seen in the crash test results. It raises questions about finding the right equilibrium between pursuing minimal weight and ensuring the car meets all safety standards. This incident is a crucial moment for Red Bull, prompting a re-evaluation of their approach. While their design philosophy has brought them considerable success, including multiple championships, it is now under scrutiny as they face the challenge of redesigning the RB20 to pass the FIA crash tests while maintaining their competitive edge. Moreover, this setback with the RB20's crash test failure opens up intriguing possibilities for its competitors in the 2024 Formula One season. Teams like Mercedes, Ferrari, and McLaren are expected to capitalize on this opportunity, each with their unique strengths and development trajectories. Mercedes, historically a strong contender, is predicted by some analysts to take the Constructors' Championship in 2024. They've been making significant progress with their car development, and with a driver of Lewis Hamilton's caliber, they are always a threat to the top spot. Mercedes' shift away from their previous car concept to a more drivable and faster model could be a game-changer, potentially ending Hamilton's victory drought and putting them back in contention for the title. Ferrari, on the other hand, showed promising signs of progress in the handling of their car under team boss Fred Vasseur. With a non-Red Bull win and pole positions in 3 of the last 5 races of the previous season, Ferrari is certainly a team to watch. Their continuous development and ability to challenge at the front could make them a serious contender for the championship, especially if they can deliver on their winter targets. McLaren, too, is in a strong position to challenge Red Bull. They've been on a consistent upward trajectory, becoming a regular podium scorer and even achieving a sprint win. With a solid driver lineup of Lando Norris and Oscar Piastri, McLaren's car showed significant improvement in the second half of the previous season, arguably making it the second fastest on the grid. If they continue this momentum, McLaren could surprise many by not just challenging for wins and pole positions, but also being a consistent factor at the front of the grid. Each of these teams has shown the potential to make significant strides forward, and the 2024 season could very well see a more closely contested battle at the front, with multiple teams vying for the top spot. Red Bull Racing, in response to the RB20's crash test failure, is likely to approach this challenge with their characteristic blend of innovation and resilience. Helmut Marko has downplayed concerns about the failed crash test, suggesting that if the RB20 had passed on its first attempt, it would have indicated a lack of ambition in their design approach. This mindset reflects Red Bull's willingness to push the limits in car development, even if it entails initial setbacks. Given Red Bull's track record of successful adaptation and problem solving, they are expected to address the structural weaknesses identified in the RB20. The focus will likely be on reinforcing the front nose of the car, ensuring it meets the FIA's stringent safety standards while maintaining the car's performance characteristics. This could involve revising the materials used or tweaking the car's aerodynamic profile to better distribute impact forces. Moreover, Red Bull's response to this challenge may also involve a broader evaluation of their car's design philosophy. While maintaining their aggressive approach towards weight reduction and aerodynamics, they are also likely to place a renewed emphasis on ensuring the car's overall safety and reliability. This development fits intriguingly into F1's evolving competitive landscape, marked by technological innovation, driver dynamics, and an extended race calendar. Moreover, Red Bull, despite the setback with the RB20, remains a formidable force in F1, with Max Verstappen widely expected to continue his dominant performance. However, the landscape is changing, and teams like Mercedes, Ferrari, and McLaren are strengthening their prospects, potentially narrowing Red Bull's lead. This is particularly true for Mercedes, who have moved away from their previous car concept in favor of a more drivable, faster model, indicating that Lewis Hamilton might find himself back in winning form. Lando Norris of McLaren is predicted to be a strong contender this season, showing consistent improvement and McLaren's promising development trajectory. This could position him for podium finishes and possibly his first race win. Additionally, Aston Martin, especially with Fernando Alonso, is considered a likely candidate to secure a Grand Prix win this season, reflecting their performance trajectory and Alonso's experience. The field dynamics for the 2024 season are expected to be more competitive, with the prediction of different teams achieving podium finishes. This increased competitiveness, coupled with Red Bull's current challenges, suggests that the upcoming season could witness more balanced battles and unexpected results. Overall, the 2024 F1 season promises to be an exhilarating blend of stability and potential upheavals. The extended calendar, featuring a record 24 races, along with the stable driver grid, sets the stage for a season that balances seasoned expertise with youthful energy, shaping the dynamics of this high-stakes championship. With a mix of veteran expertise and emerging talent, the unchanged driver grid from 2023 offers a unique continuity for teams to build on their past performance. The stability in the driver lineup, combined with technological innovations and an extended race calendar featuring a record 24 races, promises a season of intense competition and strategic depth. The 2024 season, therefore, is not just about Red Bull's response to its current challenges. It's about the broader narrative of Formula One, where technological prowess, strategic acumen, and driver skill converge in a high-stakes championship. The drama, the intrigue, and the sheer thrill of racing are set to captivate fans across the globe. Will Red Bull bounce back stronger, or is this the opening their rivals have been waiting for? The road to the 2024 championship just got a lot more interesting.